welcome to Paper Airplane Flip Trick Shot 3. Let's go! No look! We are sponsored by St. Patrick's Day and Major League Baseball. And if you are a subscriber, please subscribe to my channel. Click right here on Dude Nailed It. And it was the last video of funny jokes. Click right here. And it was 2 weeks of special movie talk. Click right here. And I nailed it and I pounded, and see you next time.